Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to boost your T-Mobile home internet speed for smoother browsing, streaming, and gaming. If your T-Mobile home internet feels slow, buffering, or laggy, it's usually caused by weak Wi-Fi signals, network congestion, or router placement. You don't have to settle for slow speeds. I'll show you practical ways to get faster, more reliable internet at home. Now let's tackle the problem. Method 1. Optimize router placement. Place your T-Mobile gateway in a central open area of your home. Avoid corners, walls, and metal objects that block Wi-Fi signals. Even moving it a few feet can dramatically improve coverage. Method 2. Reduce device interference. Keep your router away from other electronics like microwaves, cordless phones, or baby monitors. Limit the number of devices using heavy bandwidth at the same time. Method 3. Use the right Wi-Fi band. Check if your gateway supports dual-band Wi-Fi. Use 5 GHz for faster speeds and short-range devices, and 2.4 GHz for longer-range coverage. Method 4. Restart your gateway regularly. Unplug your T-Mobile gateway for 30 seconds and plug it back in. Restarting clears temporary network issues and can improve speed instantly. Method 5. Update firmware and device settings. Log into your T-Mobile gateway dashboard. Check for firmware updates and install them. Updated firmware often fixes speed and connectivity issues. Method 6. Consider a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system. If you have a large home, a Wi-Fi extender or mesh system can boost coverage. This ensures all corners of your home get a strong, reliable signal. Method 7. Contact T-Mobile support. If speeds remain slow after trying all these tips, call T-Mobile. They can check for network issues, adjust settings remotely, or offer a stronger gateway if needed. And that's it. Your T-Mobile home internet should now be faster and more reliable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick internet tips.